European expansion and rivalries, undermining the Ottoman Empire. The rise of European states during the early modern period had a profound impact on the decline of the Ottoman Empire. As new powers emerged, fortified by economic prosperity, technological advances, and colonial expansion, the Ottomans found themselves increasingly beleaguered. The geopolitical landscape of the time, punctuated by the ascendancy of formidable European empires like the Habsburg Empire and Russia, posed direct challenges to Ottoman territorial integrity. The discovery of sea routes to Asia and the New World further marginalized the empire's economic significance. 1. The Habsburg threat. The Ottoman-Habsburg rivalry spanned several centuries, featuring numerous military confrontations. However, the power dynamics between the two empires shifted gradually. During the 16th century, the Ottomans posed a significant threat to the Habsburgs, epitomized by the Ottoman sieges of Vienna. But as the Habsburg Empire consolidated its power, particularly in the 17th and 18th centuries, it began to challenge the Ottomans more effectively. This was partly due to the Habsburg strategic alliances with other European powers, and partly because of their military modernization, which outpaced the Ottomans' own efforts. 2. The Russian factor. Russia emerged as another potent rival that consistently sought to chip away at Ottoman territories. The Russo-Turkish wars in the 18th and 19th centuries were devastating for the Ottoman Empire. Russia's aspirations to access warm water ports made the Ottoman-controlled Black Sea a constant battleground. Defeats at the hands of Russia resulted in significant territorial losses and severely weakened the Ottoman military. 3. Technological and tactical disparities. The Ottomans' military technology and tactics, which had once been cutting-edge, began to lag behind those of European powers. The European states adapted newer military technologies and developed more effective tactical doctrines, often learning from their colonial endeavors. The Ottomans, constrained by technological stagnation and internal issues, couldn't keep up, rendering them increasingly vulnerable in confrontations with European rivals. 4. The discovery of sea routes. The age of exploration, led by European maritime powers like Spain and Portugal, altered global trade dynamics. The discovery of sea routes to Asia and the New World undermined the Ottoman Empire's economic stronghold. The empire had previously benefited from its control over land-based trade routes, particularly those linking Europe and Asia. The maritime shift meant that goods could bypass Ottoman-controlled territories, leading to a significant loss of revenue. This economic setback weakened the empire's ability to finance military campaigns and internal reforms. 5. Colonialism and resource influx. European colonialism had another indirect but profound impact on the Ottoman Empire. The vast wealth flowing into Europe from colonies enriched European states, enabling them to invest in military technology and infrastructural development. The Ottomans, without such colonial revenue streams, found it increasingly difficult to match European powers in military and economic capabilities. 6. Diplomatic isolation. As European powers grew stronger, they also became more cohesive in their diplomatic efforts to contain Ottoman influence. Treaties often sidelined the Ottomans, and diplomatic alliances were formed to counter Ottoman military campaigns. This isolation left the empire with fewer allies and made it susceptible to multi-front conflicts, further straining its already limited resources. 7. European ideas and nationalism. The spread of European ideas like nationalism also disrupted the Ottoman Empire's internal cohesion. Various ethnic and religious groups within the empire became influenced by European concepts of nationhood, leading to internal revolts and demands for autonomy. This ideological encroachment added another layer of complexity to the empire's declining stability. Conclusion. In summary, the rise of European powers played a pivotal role in the decline of the Ottoman Empire. The ascendancy of the Habsburg Empire and Russia presented direct military challenges, made more acute by the Ottomans' lagging military capabilities. The shift in global trade routes due to European maritime discoveries eroded the economic base of the empire. The resources and ideas flowing into Europe from colonial expansion and the Enlightenment further widened the gap between Europe and the Ottoman Empire, both materially and ideologically. Thus, the Ottoman decline can be seen as part of a broader realignment of power in the world, where European states ascended at the expense of older empires. Constrained by economic, technological, and diplomatic factors, the Ottoman Empire could not adapt to the rapidly changing geopolitical landscape, leading to its eventual dissolution.